In the heart of Manila, where the sun sets with an orange hue and the city's bustle never ceases, a solitary figure emerges from the shadows. He's known only as the Ghost, an elusive figure who has carved out a niche in the city's underbelly as a ruthless assassin. The Ghost's past is shrouded in mystery. Born to a Filipino mother and an American father, he was left to fend for himself at a tender age. His father, an American citizen, vanished without a trace, leaving the boy to grapple with the harsh realities of life in the Philippine slums.
Meaning what?
Stage 4. Got the big C.
Serious?
Oh, he got cancer.
Yes, sir.
Huh? That means he gonna be dead soon.
Wala anak, may sulat sa'yo ang iyong ama. Basahin mo muna.
Bakit ngayon pa, inay? 35 years na tayong pinabayaan. At ngayong may sakit siya, gusto niya ako ang mang-alaga sa kanya? Sana'y mamatay na ang hayop na yan. Matagal ko nang iniwan ang aking ama sa aking alaala. At kapag nakita ko pa siya, malamang ako pa ang pumatay sa kanya!
Dead by the end of the year. Unless his son kills him first.
Sons? I thought he only had 2 daughters.
I just picked up his son from the airport last week.
Kids and I want to spend time with you, Marco. And the doctor said you don't have that much time.
Meron naman akong pagmamahal sa kanya. Kaso hindi ko naman maiwanan yung asawa ko sa Amerika. Pero hindi ko naman kayo pinabayaan. Wala nang pinanganak ka, kahit itanong mo sa kanya, ako ang nagsusuporta sa inyo, nagpapadala.
The Ghost once again disappears into the shadows, leaving behind a trail of questions about the choices we make and the consequences they bear.